choka nyina Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC. Abe confirm say Karim Zito is going to be the man who is going to be in the helm of affairs for Kumasi Asante Kotoko till the end of the season. Yes, this is confirmation. Bensa akane deeply. So no matter what the BCBiano, the understanding is that Karim Zito will be at Kotoko till the end of the season. Na ebeteki adia ehupwa enebema Karim Zito every Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the course of this 2025-2026 season, ebeye dia mede emunchiremu no ebro bepato aha Super 24 TV. Me amedi dwumari ehun chiame ya frame Nazil Hamza. Obetimi aframe the blog man ene ade asachi ba ko biom de aka bom ena ye de Asia ewo fie ha. Yes, the asone so a ewo se wote no ena ye de ebrew ewo fie ha. Official confirmation ya yensa kan no emeki eputu calm waters on all the hula balloons say broni bi eba na we so enam ha Kotoko besaki Karim Zito no say no officially Kotoko IMC no e dey abetum say there is no conversation about that. No matter what it is, Karim Zito and a betina kopim se season no ebeba ewieye. Say me no ka say ye come March the 19 festus no ewa ha be dey Asia ewo fia na enra reports be every America ebaye issue of interest they be ameka say ewiase no yen siki ntiase sa obi kasa enye ne kasa na all kano o twen ama na reply no asema all kano e wo say utie for understanding. Listen to the person to understand their all kano na enra quite unfortunately after America Secretary of Immigration here they no edibetu just say to say 75 countries ewo wiase USA for no are suspended omo visa immigration application into these 75 countries na Ghana ka ho na Ghana ka ho no ena nsentwofo bi a omaya omo se omo de omo nsua de ena omo take to social media ena omo kan sep ne chiachia ne pa esere abaya owo so de say ye kan say work up PD ene ye Ghana phone tibi nkobi mesrew no kra ba ko say enim ye ka say immigration visa different from applying to go to the USA for any tourist BBR. Your tourist visa or your visitation visa or and your immigration visa. Minimum chichimuno ebe bro. Inti enra nsema na ekoso ewo media also say they say crowd blasters work up ayekwe yabane 75 countries are Ghana ka ho inti Ghana supporters inti bingo hebino no kre ba ku say enim. And the date no 15th of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for a path. Na yemfa enante. Before you stand to be corrected, you have to sit down to be taught. Before you stand to be corrected, you have to sit down to be taught. Sa oye bibi na ade na oye no onya sure busa ne yenkyerɛw. Sa opa ade bi, okɔ ba bi na wonim kwan na nipa bebre gina ho. Why can't you act? If you act, you'll be shown the way. So, adentina nipa asori a ase tembia ye bebu ye tirima ka bibi a wonya hweo. Enye. So, if you don't know, just act and you'll be corrected. But enyo wo se tembia no you are guessing, you are here. No, in this age of informative era, woni bibi abusa. Especially omo yama na successful no uko na obuso omo a nipa no ohun se wukra adwempa nko a obekyerɛw. There is nothing to hide. There is nothing to hide. So yemusa ni yenya enhumu ni yenya ntiase ansa ne yakasa emra nsentwofo akase bi menkasa akasefo kra nsentwofo bi a omo din kakra ena omo gu omo ho animase ewo media no so. Just because of say 75 countries have been suspended from applying immigration visas for USA. Now, eye brofo ye ka se immigration visa on immigration visa eye visa eye document for a traveler obi a wo tu kwan ne document ne che se okwa akotena aburuchire na waye adwuma na watena ho na wa live there permanently eno na ye immigration visa. For instance, me ko abuchi a metimi apply tourist visa ne che say me economy akohwe nioma makohwe mani so mako relax mako holidays anase school me ko school anase me ko visit family so ni nyina ho but the US for ne say o ma suspend ya for now do matwam no eye ade a ye frɛ no immigration visa na ye visa oje na odi akoye adwuma no watena US permanently eno na uko US a omo frɛ no green card no nti omo say 75 countries no ya omo suspend say untimi apply for green card omo say omo kanyina no emfa work up hu bibia so na mecho no but in central phone bi ensua de na odi nanim gu ase abetena social media na o twetwe Ghana say Ghana miwa sansentoni no oye Ghana ni oye Ghana ni a wonka bibi say kura no nka wo se nke ye oya but enam adwombone nti eye ne de na wabegu no ho anim ase miwa asem no kura no entisa so wo na mecho no enti asem ba yempe nkyiremu no yempe enhumu no yempe ntiase na yemfa nante eno na beboa enye sa asem ba ya no ama wo man so gidi because eyawde miwa okra wonsua de ente de ye kanase utufo nyankopon ema ntiase so when message for our light for our path no yemfa nante very well. Me say before you stand to be corrected you have to sit down to be taught. Sir, ubejina how to be corrected. Before you stand, I stand to be corrected. Tena se ni enchrew. Seni ebe ya uku jina wa unko ya stand to be corrected. Yes, utufo nyakopon ema ye ntiase. Ghana Premier League Kotoko. Ene baby ani Go Stars next game no ebe TV so. But game ni nya Sunday. Mesra mo muntie na mo nhye na nso. Game no eye Saturday. Enti ene Thursday. I think you were one day penny demo. Because Thursday no and then Friday and echi Saturday and a game neighbor so enti ene Kotoko should be preparing for this particular game very well. Yes, Kotoko beko baby ani Kotoko de baby ani Go Stars. The last time I call you show it was against baby ani Go Stars in the Super Cup Champions of Champion game a call so enti and also ene de ewo na Asante Kotoko future with Karim Zito this say aye clear me de munchichi mu no pan ebe bro ofia nemo no match day 19 no say na for Ghana Premier League eba so match day 19 no haso folk ebe trafie no ne Dreams FC e de abo eno so Friday ya echina na sa game ne beba understand say ekoso ewo Legon Sports Stadium 3:30 ena eno ebeba so na baby ani Go Stars ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko de eno so aye Saturday 17th of January 2026 ena Saturday so Vision FC ene Mediama ene de bepem so Vision ene Mediama ye wo interest was a particular game me some of us you gidi say enka chirisa Kotoko still na betimi awi ni Ghana Premier League no enti yembo mpai say Mediama Eco Vision no onko wini at least wire dia no omo draw na emwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko to close the gap because they say no Mediama na Asante Kotoko gap no emu wa pa to be real honest emu wa yes bad ye Mediama things were 37 or saying and na Kotoko that's what 31 32 saying nti eno no Kotoko will pray and hope that Mediama will falter. Minya vision for no ebeshe Mediama completely. And now this crucial game also about person Nations FC ebe adwuma nama Nations FC near Adriana na ebo Adriana eba Abraham Kese. Yes, nti Adriana eba Abraham Kese dia na chese ebe den so baba be win because Nations no this season and sheda nko ye ma no Nti we no the home game no he should win against Adriana ewo ho. Na Brekum Chelsea and the Swadro All Blacks. And also a game Baba so kwasiada. Yes. And also you said any interest be out but yambo mpaise Brekum Chelsea. Ye yonko for no monti. Omubenya a win. And a Karela ne FC Samates and a babo. As I give me any interest be out. And Karela obo home no on hena on she. Na emfa impuntu emra omukrumo. Basaki Holy Stars and Bichim United and Everbo. And also, you shed any interest be out Basaki Holy Stars and Bichim United. You shed any interest be out Heart of Lions and Techima 11 Wonders. And I say 11 Wonders, then be a many Techima and also. Also, by Mato Timmy, Akoma Lagos cities for Heart of Lions. Side game no shed any interest be our Heart of Lion na okato for no but say what drop a cram say understands all the bad knife baby na 11 Wonders for no the omoda relegation 11 Wonders pa asemo na Legon cities no na wa All Stars na okotoye wa All Stars no okotoye no ye Legon cities na e relegation na wasa okoto Techimai 11 Wonders and away you touch my never on 11 Wonders. 11 Wonders is baby or day relegation upon no son or moko. That is a team no or more managing yana. Semo, Ghana. Or be a same session two, be a same session or two. And a final game never cost no a young apostles and a Ho United. And also a 3 p.m. Young apostle no ho. And shada emfa and the abebe to be and also any kakra. For the Ghana Premier League match day 19. Yes, and also any day. Oh now, Kotoko, I confirm say Abdulkarim Zito and Kobebia, despite the numerous reports and rumors going around, Kotoko has put water on the fire. According to the IMC, no. Omo say master wa na obeye adwuma na the season no so na nyoma nkoya ma ode e betima ball na situ say pay was a carry Zito buy no 1 year kra unure nti 1 year kra unure na o no in the course of the season 1 or 2 results bi nkoyi na obegina so the asake na enye fair. I think sankomudi in the course was it Kotoko Saki Ogum in April 2024 2025 last year April 2025 me no ka say afeni e wo January enti coach Karim Zito ba April no 1 year kra unu enti yemfa no kren cancel enye enough grounds to sack him. I don't know press conference na say ultimate say na why emotional say ono outside kina on fan ho say china or that's how on fan ho sometimes kumasa something Kotoko supporters say o si enya abotre ye team no you said any good teams out. You said any good teams out. Me players no more Kotoko no. And no na me senior my be din komo. Omo be do Kotoko na o ma relax you. O ma relax to the point say ahokeka no owo ba bi owo na ye de kofa ne bae no. They say wa relax e na agro like sense of urgency be any ho. Sa Kotoko obobo na Kotoko obodra. When a hockey kana enye sore mechono inti sa attitude we no one thing na omo two attitude be attitude on the field and attitude of the field both ni nyina anye sa ye bobo na Kotoko luso a you can see clearly say hockey kano e wo form ana players na nkasa subanya of the pitch nyoma bi a wotete form ho no enye papa. Say I'm crying here and now. The story is at the end of the season. If you're because if you're not a breeding ground for indiscipline, therefore we cannot entertain set things at the Kotoko clubhouse. It's about vacancy omunyana nkrano and the yedo mewa kugu and do makugo. Say a drew match campaign Friday na yabe free munyana maba. They are converge or they are converge or but the point then is that we are not going to tolerate set things again at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enti ublemi coach Karim Zito bebera enyeye. Ublemi ni bebera enyeye. So because the attitude of these players ever form. Sometimes when you Kotoko bar, you can clearly see say apart from Samba Udel, to a certain extent, Lord Amwa and Hamzata. Omo makanyina na se omo na musa ade beche we be ma good performance ade beche de ba be jam no ma below belt performance anano inusa ya be bo abaso a yesa de wa boma na eko so sad no players no it is up to you the players to put in effort say tembiano you are going to be there me a me nua ba ko practical say to de bia na eko to de bia na ba aya na ye me ya but if you give performance consistently, it is you who is going to help because your World Cup here. So World Cup here no we don't want udin ebe kosoro. Samba will just imagine say go Ghana ni anka straight away World Cup squad no nko osema okobi. So but here's the case more Ghana for na more no. We are Ghana players no I say some of them they are too lazy and some of them too are very ungrateful. Some of them too are very ungrateful. Samba O'Neill reports I am right and say can I say on it Simba phone almost done, but or insist this Kotoko BB from the transfer. Me person me go be but there are certain Ghanaian players are almost Kotoko more opportunity no and then or more picture mo. Mumbrani entrance the negotiable future with the club more picture mo. Na o matna outside na contract na so go free. Now go free we are. Adechi we are now say be Kotoko aba. Now na mechire who abeg. These players omo attitude enye some of them most of them and it's about time and unti blame coach Karim Zito be but obi say ono so na coach waje adwuma ne so obeye nti ono so onye na sa short force na wo player ono onhwe na on avert situation you know. That's why the report is that he's going out throughout the season. In the year, no, now I'm wishing all the best.